Is there a particular artist you favor more than others? Let us know which one's your favorite museums to go to. We provide private museum tour experience for both kids and adults, but with the current lockdown, we've moved everything to distance learning. With kids program, it's about 60 minutes. These curators, they specialize in particular section of the museum and they're called the curators. They had to go to Morocco. With adults, it's more participation based, but fun. Why? There's no performance artist here in this physical room unless you actually interact with them. Like this. Do you see this? Also provide artist studio visits. You get to hear from them directly what their inspirations are.
I'm Kate Clark. I am a sculptor in Brooklyn. These are hides that I get from a zoo.
We want to hear from you. So until next time, be safe and be well.